Behind me is a very rare GMC 3500 AT4. And in this video, I'm gonna tell you why. This right here is a GMC Sierra 3500 AT4 in the Thunderstorm Gray. That colorway just came out here last year. I doubt you've seen very many 3500s in the Thunderstorm Gray, but also very, very few that are color matched. Let's get into it a little bit of what we did. As you can see, we added the Thunderstorm to the emblems on the front and the rear. We went ahead and paint matched this grille, so all the logos are gonna be black instead of having any red in there. We also went ahead inside the headlights and we actually take them apart and go ahead inside and color match that black and get rid of any chrome besides 3 pieces of chrome here on the side in between the blinkers. And then came down here and paint matched the front tow hooks for you. Anything to do with any emblems as you come around to the rear. The Duramax here, we went ahead and paint matched that for y'all. We've got our custom KC logo and we paint matched the AT4 on the side. All around, paint matched the tail fin up top, went ahead and blacked out the cab lights. Onto what we did with our build. With this build, we went ahead with some 24x14 American Force Supremes, a massive wheel going on a massive truck. As you can see here, we just did a video the other day on fitment. We did a lot to make this wheel fit in here. This is not a wheel that you can normally fit in a 3500, okay? What helps us fit a little bit is if you come in here, we have a Cognito Stage 2 leveling kit with Fox 2.0 Performance Series shocks and forged upper control arms from Cognito. We did our own little trimming. It didn't require too much trimming on the front there. We went ahead and wrapped this thing in a 33 1450 R24 Fury mud tire. So this thing has a offset of -76, I believe. -90? Golly! So he has an offset of -90. You're gonna be sitting pretty wide. And I'll show you guys that from the back. Another aspect of the color matching that we did, this side step of your bed, we went ahead and color matched that. And as you guys can see right here is a pretty cool accent. So we have our tinted blinker lights. We don't only tint taillights here, we also are going to tint every aspect of your blinkers besides your front headlights because, well, legalistics. But we are gonna tint every other aspect of the blinker lights for you. And then around to the back here, this is one of my favorite aspects of any vehicle like this that we do, is that mean look you get from the tinted taillights. I think that just looks better than almost anything in the world on a vehicle. If you come up here, we went ahead and paint matched this back control panel for your bed. Your bed steps here, I think the bumper is already painted that color. And pardon my snotty nose and all the sniffing you hear, it is freezing in this place. Yeah, just looking at this thing from the back, you are able to see how wide you are gonna be sitting. And the stance you have is insane on the road because you're only going up, I believe, either 2.75 or 3 inches, and you've got these phenomenally wide wheels in the back here. And those American Force just does such a good job with creating insane stances for trucks. So with the bed, we did add a bed cover for you guys, just a nice little touch that we wanted to spruce in there. Now onto the interior of the vehicle. We're gonna show you guys the 2024 AT4. If you haven't seen it yet, there's a lot of different trim levels now with GMC Sierras. AT4X, Denali Ultimate, the Elevation, SL something. Let's go inside. All right, as you can tell, this is very spacious unless Matt drives it. It's not when he does, but GMC 3500 2024. So you're gonna have your AT4 badging throughout your entire vehicle with insanely nice, I mean, GMC is top of the line when it comes to leather. These are gonna be heated, cooled, not massaged, that's just for the Ultimates, but they are gonna be heated and cooled. AT4s, in my opinion, are a very good mix between a leather that is good looking and just something that doesn't look like it's moving away from a work truck too much. It's kind of like the Platinums, right? Platinum with Ford, you got something that's not a limited, but you're also recognize you're still driving in a truck. You do have really nice accents of a wood trim that's almost like it's almost an iron wood trim, but it gives it really nice action. So it does look good, it does look fancy. So with the GMC Sierra, you have a massive infotainment system, really cool startup screen actually that I just noticed. You have really cool mountains in the background of this infotainment system. It's a massive infotainment system, and then you get 8 auxiliary switches, only 1 extra. That is odd. Typically you'll see about 3 extra. I mean, with 1 extra you can add a light bar or something. You really don't got to add too much to this truck. It's nice to have for when you do need some. So let's hop to the back real fast. As you can tell, I'm 6'1". Well, you couldn't tell that before. I've been told that I look 5'7" in frame because my legs are so freaking short. But this is a massive cab. For somebody that's 6'1", I fit perfectly and have much room to spare. I'm sure I'd be comfortable if I was 6'5", but you know, not everybody gets to live that life. So you've got a massive, this thing is huge, golly. Cup holders right here, heated seats in the rear with your USB and USB-C, and then just standard pockets in the back. Okay, and then actually a cool touch that GMC did. So I believe they started this like maybe either 2 years ago or this year. These are now removable. Instead of removing the entire carpet, you can just remove these and get the off-road ones. Or they also made it really easy. This thing's almost like origami. You can literally just pop this out and take it out and throw another pair in. GMC made it really easy with carpets. They kind of invented that, so or GM did, which is really cool. You can now just swap out that little carpet area. On to the next aspect of this is beast. Now with this back, so if we open this tailgate, which really smoothly comes down into a step, you can see that you can add the kicker speaker on there. These little spots, they go ahead and come out and you can add a kicker speaker on there. GMC Sierras, in my mind, when they do have them, have the best bed steps. I mean, it is insanely easy to get up and down. I'm a big fan of other companies' bed steps, but this one in my mind, comparatively to like, you know, Ford or anything, is just so simplistic. You've got a massive long bed in this, and it comes standard with the 3500s. That is our one of one GMC 3500 Sierra Thunderstorm AT4. Thunderstorm color, paint matched mirror caps, the bezel, the cab steps. This thing is lifted, color matched, tinted. You won't see another one or be able to buy another one from a dealership. I doubt ever. That is what makes this thing a one of one. That's what Krietz Customs does. We do one of ones, and you'll only be able to find it here. So if you want this, want to build something like it, give us a call at 301-694-4642 or go to KreitzCustoms.com and we can go ahead and help you out, or you can buy something like this.